Hi, in this video we're going to be showing you how to fix the issue when you're trying to restore a snapshot in VMware Workstation and you get an error saying it can't be done. So this may or may not work for your situation depending on what the particular error happens to be. But if you are having the same errors I'm going to demonstrate here, then it might help you out. Alright, so for example here, if I were to go to Snapshot, let's say I want to revert to this one here. I get this error occurred while reverting to a snapshot, required file was not found. And then if I go to the settings here, you can see my disk right here, the secondary disk, says it can't be found, and that is this file here, this Windows 11 Home with this string of text afterwards here. And if I go into that directory, I do not have that VMDK file there. You can see the last one here is 5 and I need 6. Alright, so what we're going to do is find the VMX file for the virtual machine, so the virtual machine name .vmx, and open it with Notepad or some other text editor. Alright, so I have this file open here, so I want to do a search here for this VMDK file. You can see there it is, I only have one instance of it. So what I want to do is delete all of the lines related to this VMDK file, so this NVMe 0:2, so these 3 lines. So I want to close VMware Workstation first, delete these, save the file. Alright, so I'm going to open it up again. But now if I try to go back to my snapshot, for example, I get this error message here. But you can see my machine is paused, and if I click on resume this virtual machine, you can see it's actually restoring the virtual machine, and my snapshot is there. So now I'm going to power it off. Now you can see it put that disk back, but now let's start it up to a different snapshot here. So this is one from a couple months ago. Let's go to that drive. And now the drive is back with the data. Now let's check out the settings here once again. Here's the file name with the 6 at the end. Let's go back here. Let's refresh the screen. Now you can see we have our file back, and it has today's date. So the data was still saved, and it recreated the virtual disk file, and then we have our information back. All right, so this may or may not work for you, depending on your situation. So once again, go to the settings, look for the path of the VMDK file, open the VMX file, do a search for that VMDK file, delete all the lines that are related to it with VMware Workstation closed, restart VMware Workstation. Then you could try to restore your snapshot, or if you don't have any snapshots, you could try just powering on the VM again, and then you could come back here as well, check your settings, make sure your disk is back. So I'm not 100% positive how this will work for your OS drive, but I assume it should be okay. I haven't had this problem with the OS drive, just with this one, so I can't tell you for sure because I haven't been able to test it. But anyways, give those steps a try and see if it works out for you. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.